Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your touchscreen isn't responding. First of all, try to force restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key until your device switches off. And once your device's screen has turned off, wait for it to restart and then check if your touchscreen started working correctly again. And if the restart didn't help you and your touchscreen still isn't responding, then try to restart your device, reboot your device into the safe mode. To do that, press the power button and the volume up key once again for about 10 seconds until it turns off. And then, once it turns off, you have to wait for the REALME icon to appear on your screen. At this point, start holding down the volume down button and wait until your phone vibrates. Once it vibrates, remove your finger from the volume down button and wait for the safe mode to boot. Okay, and right now check if your touchscreen started working in the safe mode, and if this didn't solve your issue, then restart your phone once again. So force restart, so just do it like we did it in the previous steps. Then wait until your device is restarted. Okay, so if your problem wasn't solved, at this point this might be a problem of your screen protector. So if you have any glass protection applied on your phone, then carefully remove it from your phone and then use a piece of cloth or a dry towel to wipe the surface of your display and check if your touchscreen started working. But if this doesn't help you, then try performing a factory reset operation through recovery mode. We have an entire video on our channel where we explain step by step how to perform factory reset operation through recovery on the smartphone. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And if your touchscreen doesn't start working even after the factory reset, which by the way, factory reset will remove everything from your device, so you should think twice before performing this operation, because instead you can also reach out to REALME customer support service and tell them about your issue, and if they detect that this is a hardware problem, then they'll request to send your phone to them, or you can just head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. And once they fix your touchscreen, the problem will be solved. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.